a company launches its IPO, it gives that why is it launching its IPO. So they have given major 5 points where they would be reimbursing or reinvesting that amount that they would be raising from the public. So these points include cloud infrastructure, marketing activities that they would be doing, and there is a company known as Grow Credit Serve Technologies Limited. They would be investing in that also. They would want some kind of organic and inorganic growth, and they would want that their business gets along well. The audience that is not coming on Grow. So they really have a vision, a longer term vision to serve their customers, to give good business. So whenever there is a question that whether to invest in a certain IPO or not, so first of all you should understand the vision and mission of the company and with what purpose or what agenda they're raising the money. So they're raising the money with these key points that are there on the screen also. Then the company, how much bid value it is placed on its price point. So the band price that has been given is from 95 to 100 rupees, and the minimum lot that needs to be purchased is 150 shares. So means minimum and maximum capping of the pricing has been kept as 95 to 100. Means that as per the demand and supply situations, if the subscription is oversubscribed, so that would lead to 100 or share allotment, and if it's not subscribed or undersubscribed, then it will lead to a minimum of 95. So it's kind of a win-win situation for both the parties. It depends on the demand and supply situation. So the allotment would be based from 95 rupees to 100. Means if I multiplied 900 rupees into 150 share lot that they are giving, so minimum investment that a person needs to do for this kind of an IPO investment is 15,000 rupees.